Hey guys, welcome to the View Title Blocker tutorial. I'm going to show you how this one works, alright? So in this one, if you go in and you click the button, go to Add-ins, View Title Blocker. When it pops up, you're going to see the option, the checkbox to duplicate the selected view or not, okay? If this is not selected, then the views that you type in here, right, are going to come up are ones that are not already on a sheet, okay? So for example, like let's say we want to duplicate a view, and we're going to start typing, we want to duplicate level 1, okay, right here. So start typing level 1, right? And so you're going to have level 1 pop up, level 2, anything with the letters that are in this search box, okay? However, if you uncheck it, okay, you can see that nothing pops up, right? This is because level 1 already exists on a sheet, okay? And that, for example, is right here. Okay, so if it exists on a sheet, right, you can't place it unless you duplicate it, all right? So, for example, go to title sheet, right? And actually, here, let's go to level 1. Let's duplicate it, right? And perhaps we want to place the level 1 copy on a sheet, okay? So we can go to our sheet that we want. Okay, we can go ahead and hit our button. Okay, and we're going to leave this unchecked because we want to search for views that are not already on a sheet. We're going to type level 1, and you can see level 1 copy pop up right here, okay? And you're going to select add selected view to sheet, and you're going to see it pop up right here, okay? And then of course you can place it wherever you want. All right, that is method number 1. For method number 2, right? If we hit view title blocker button, and then we want to duplicate it, and okay, what view do we want to duplicate and place on a sheet? So let's say we want to do level 2 now. Oops. There you go. Hit tab, select it, hit tab again, add selected view to sheet. And then here you'll have level 2 copy, okay? See that right here, alrighty? And you can see also that it has been duplicated in your views, alright? So those are the 2 methods for when you're on a sheet view. Alright, let's go to the 2 methods when you're in an active view, such as a plan, section, or elevation. Okay, so for this instance, let's go to elevations and sections. Okay, so we're going to activate this view and hit our button. Different dialog box pops up. Okay, and first let's go through our different sections. So you're going to see active view status, right? So this is going to tell you where the active view that you're on is going to tell you whether or not it exists on a sheet already. So in this case, this view exists on 3A103, which is the sheet A103, and it is right here, okay? So we know it exists on a sheet. So all of the boxes are grayed out because you cannot place an already mounted view on a sheet. But if we were to duplicate it, and let's say I want to put on, now we have the option to duplicate the view and place this on its own individual title block or its own sheet, right, which is this option, okay? Or we can add it to another sheet, right? So let's say, for example, we're going to duplicate our section view that we're in, and then we're going to put it on our plans sheet. Add a selected view, and it's going to ask, would you like to go to the sheet? We're going to say yes, because we want to place it, right? And here it pops up on our sheet. All right. Okay. Now we can go back to that again. So we can just do it from here. So we're going to view the title blocker button. Okay, everything is grayed out. So now we're going to do the other option. All right. So this one, let's say we are going to go to this view. Oops. Right, and then we're going to duplicate this view. We just duplicated this one, so it's not on a sheet currently. So that means that if we hit our view title blocker button, we're going to have options to, we can, for one, place it on a title block for itself if we want, or we can filter for the sheet that we want to add it to. such as A101, or we can choose from the currently open sheets, or just we can look through all the sheets in the project. All right. Okay, and then of course here's a share button in which the website for the button will be copied to your clipboard, and you can share it with your friends. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you guys for checking out the tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed the button. See you guys on the next one.